Hello Diecast fans and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we are unboxing a real beast, the Hot Wheels Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5FD, code JBK48, part of the Car Culture Circuit Legends series, number 1 out of 5 in 1/64 scale, a premium diecast with metal body and base, and real rider's wheels. Let's open it up and take a closer look. This model captures the essence of Vaughn Gittin Jr.'s legendary RTR Mustang used in Formula Drift. The detailing is top-notch, from the aggressive RTR front grille with neon green accents to the wide body stance, complete with racing sponsors and unique graphics. Hot Wheels did a fantastic job reproducing the RTR identity in 1/64. Now let's talk about the real Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5FD. Under the hood, this drift monster packs a 5.0-liter V8 engine, tuned to deliver around 1,200 horsepower for competition use. The car can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 300 km/h. Built for drifting, it's all about control, smoke, and spectacular angles. The real RTR Spec 5FD is also a symbol of partnership between Ford and RTR vehicles, blending factory engineering with motorsport innovations. It's a car designed not just to win, but to entertain fans around the world. And now, thanks to Hot Wheels, we can enjoy it in our collections at 1/64 scale. That's it for today's unboxing of the Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5FD by Hot Wheels, a true must-have for muscle car and drift fans alike. Thanks for watching the Growing Cars Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our daily diecast videos, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. See you in the next one.